Welcome to our channel. Today, we are exploring an exciting topic. Have you ever heard of seitan? It is a protein-rich food that is often referred to as wheat meat or gluten meat. Its unique properties have made it a compelling choice for those seeking to incorporate plant-based proteins into their meals. Seitan has a chewy, meat-like texture and is commonly used as a meat alternative in vegetarian and vegan cuisines. Its origins can be traced back to China, where it has been a staple in Chinese Buddhist cuisine for centuries. Over time, it made its way beyond East Asia and gained popularity in Western countries. Today, it is widely available in many forms, including prepackaged products. Nutritional composition. Protein. It is renowned for its high protein content. It typically contains around 25 to 75 grams of protein per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, depending on how it's prepared. Saturated fat. It is naturally low in fat, particularly saturated fat. This is advantageous for those who want to increase their protein intake without a significant increase in dietary fats. Saturated fat is linked to various health issues, including heart disease. So, a low-fat protein source can contribute to a heart-healthy diet. Carbohydrates and fiber. It contains carbohydrates, primarily in the form of starch, but the carbohydrate content is relatively low compared to its protein content. What about fiber? It provides a modest amount that contributes to digestive health. Vitamins and minerals. It offers several vitamins, including B vitamins such as niacin, B3, riboflavin, B2, and vitamin B6. Its mineral composition consists of iron, calcium, phosphorus, and selenium. Gluten. This is the primary protein found in wheat. While gluten is a source of protein, it can be problematic for individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Low in sugar. It is naturally low in sugar, which can be advantageous for those looking to reduce their sugar intake. Caloric value. It is relatively low in calories compared to many animal-based protein sources. This can be beneficial for individuals seeking to manage their calorie intake. But before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please try to do it now and like the video. This can help YouTube show it to more people and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of our interesting tips. Let's continue this educational adventure. Health benefits of seitan. Supports muscle development and repair. As an excellent source of plant-based protein, it supports muscle building, repair, and overall body maintenance. This makes it a popular choice among athletes and those engaged in strength training. Promotes cardiovascular health. It is low in saturated fats, which are associated with cardiovascular health issues. Also, since it is naturally free from cholesterol, it reduces the risk of heart disease. Aids in weight management. Its high protein content can promote a feeling of fullness, which may help control appetite and reduce overall calorie intake. This can be beneficial for weight management. Low glycemic index. It generally has a low glycemic index, GI, which means it has a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Low glycemic index foods can help stabilize blood sugar, making them suitable for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their weight. Aids in digestion. Its dietary fiber content aids in digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. Regulates blood pressure. When compared to other meat alternatives, it has a low sodium content. This can control blood pressure and reduce the risk of hypertension. Low allergenic potential. This meat is generally well tolerated by individuals without gluten sensitivities or allergies. For those who can consume gluten, it offers a nutritious alternative to wheat-based products. Supports bone health. Some seitan products are fortified with calcium, which contributes to strong bones and teeth. This can be beneficial for individuals following plant-based diets with a lower dairy intake. Reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Since it is low in saturated fat and cholesterol, its consumption may contribute to a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Where can you find seitan? It is commonly available in well-stocked grocery stores and vegan/vegetarian markets. You can also purchase it from online retailers. Alternatively, you can make it at home using Vital Wheat gluten, which is widely available in grocery stores. Making it at home allows you to control the ingredients, flavors, and texture. You can check online for recipes and tutorials on how to prepare it. Storage methods. After purchasing or preparing your wheat meat, you can store it in an airtight container or wrapped in plastic wrap in the fridge for 5 to 7 days. Freezing is a great way to extend its shelf life. Before freezing, cut or portion it into pieces that you plan to use in a single meal or recipe. Wrap the pieces in plastic wrap, foil, or freezer-safe containers, ensuring they are airtight to prevent freezer burn. Label the containers with the date of freezing to keep track of freshness. It can be frozen for up to 3 to 6 months. For long-term storage, use a vacuum sealer, which can keep it fresh in the freezer for a period of 6 to 12 months. 6 ways to enjoy it. It can be added as a meat alternative to any of the following meals. Sandwiches and wraps. Add some slices to sandwiches, wraps, or pitas as a meaty filling. Season it with your favorite marinades and sauces for added flavor. Burgers. Make vegan burgers by shaping this wheat meat into patties before grilling or frying them. Season the patties with herbs and spices for a flavorful burger experience. Tacos and fajitas. The seasoned meat can be used as a filling for tacos, fajitas, or burritos, offering a satisfying alternative to traditional meat fillings. Stews and casseroles. You can add it to stews, casseroles, and one-pot dishes. It absorbs the savory flavors of the dish while maintaining its texture. As a pizza topping, thinly sliced pieces of this meat can serve as a topping for pizzas, adding a protein-rich element to your pizza creations. Grilled skewers. Marinate some chunks and skewer them for grilling, creating plant-based kebabs with a smoky flavor and appealing texture. Additional tips. Seitan comes in various forms, such as cutlets, strips, or crumbles. Select the type that suits your recipe best. For example, cutlets are great for grilling, while strips work well in stir-fries. Always opt for healthier cooking methods like baking, grilling, or steaming rather than deep frying. It can take on the flavors of marinades and sauces, so marinating it before cooking is an excellent way to infuse it with taste. Finally, ensure your diet is balanced by incorporating a variety of plant-based foods to guarantee you receive all the essential nutrients. Does it have side effects? While it is a popular meat alternative for many, there are a few allergies and concerns you should be aware of when consuming it. Gluten sensitivity or celiac disease. It is derived from wheat gluten, which contains gluten proteins. Therefore, individuals with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease should avoid it, as it can trigger adverse reactions and digestive issues. For those following a gluten-free diet, there are alternative meat substitutes available that do not contain gluten, such as tofu, tempeh, or legume-based products. Wheat allergy. Since it is made from wheat gluten, individuals with wheat allergies should avoid consuming it. Wheat allergy can cause symptoms such as itching, hives, difficulty breathing, or even anaphylaxis. Always read the product's labels before purchasing them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and family for more delicious and informative content. We hope you found this video useful and instructive. If you would like us to do a video on any topic about weight loss or nutrition, leave us a message in the comments and we will do it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.